Welcome to my class, Yourclass. Today's lesson: the dreams can come true. When I think about the future and all the possibilities of reaching what I wish, it is impossible to don't think about everything I've done and lived to finally arrive here. This is Thamy. At this time, she was 7 years old. She loved books and had dreams. Thamy had a dream. She wanted to speak English fluently. Maybe she could be an English teacher and travels all over the world. She knew that it wouldn't be easy, but she also knew that discipline and persistence are capable of taking anyone where they want. This story starts 1 month before Thamy's 8th birthday. Thamy was reading a book to her father, and he remembered that her birthday was coming. So he asked,
"What would you like for your birthday?"
I would like to study English.
Study English? Don't you have this subject at school?
No, Dad. As it is not our mother language, we study in a different way. I would like to enroll in an English course.
Of course. This will be your birthday present.
Her father was a good man, and even knowing that it wouldn't be easy to pay for it, he would never say no. Education was always a priority. He simply smiled to her and said,
But tell me, little girl, why would you like to study English?
Because when I get older, I will be an English teacher, and I will win a lot of money. And with this money, I will travel all over the world.
Wow, what a fantastic plan!
They started laughing. Suddenly she stopped for a moment and asked him calmly,
Dad, do you think it is possible that a girl like me can do this?
I think you can get all you want in your life.
The days had passed, and Thamy's birthday arrived. She didn't have a great party, but her father gave her what she wanted: the English course and a book. She would need to wait for 2 months until the course starts, and she could hardly wait for it. In August, the classes started. Studying English was not easy, but she wouldn't give up. Her mother had tried to help her. She had been her first teacher and had taught Thamy how to read and write. But at this time, she couldn't help Thamy. The girl was facing her first difficulty.
I am the worst student in class, Mum.
That is not a big problem. You only need to study more.
No, Mum. You don't understand. The others laugh when I speak something wrong.
Thamy, the life isn't easy. You desired it so much. If you give up in your first difficulty, you will always give up.
I know, but I am sad.
It is all right about feeling sad. But you need to go on. When you get older, you will be grateful for this.
Okay, Mum. You are right. I won't give up.
1 year after, her sisters were also studying English. They were good students. The days had passed, and Thamy was truly a dedicated student. She was speaking a better English. So, the years had gone, and she became a teenager. At that time, the things were different. Now, studying English was easier, and she could understand it much better. When she completed the course, she became a classroom assistant. During that year, she started a teacher training course, and soon she could have her own class. Her first goal was reached. She was an English teacher. More years had gone, and she met someone who had dreams similar to hers. They had studied together. He also would like to travel all over the world, learning about new cultures, people, places, just like her. They had so much in common that they became best friends. A while later, they started dating, and soon they got married. Together, they had already traveled a lot. They had learned other languages and about other cultures and places. They are always planning the next trip. Now, the new plan is creating a channel and help others to learn this language that took her so far. She knows that the things are not so easy, but during her journey, she had learned that all she needs is discipline, persistence, and support from the beloved ones. I think that soon she will make one more dream come true. And you? Are you making your dreams come true?
What about subscribing the channel?